Is the Spotify Camp Nou renovation on track or falling behind? From massive super beams to redoing failed concrete work, today's update dives into all the progress and setbacks you need to know. Starting with the north stand, there's noticeable movement on the structural pillars for the second tier. Workers have been laying vertical rebar, a critical step for supporting the next layer of the stadium. Nearby, newly arrived concrete panels are being prepared for installation. These panels are massive, hinting at the monumental scale of what's to come. Moving to the south corner, there has been significant progress in the form of reinforced flooring panels, now almost complete. Interestingly, this section will only have one tier compared to the two-tier designs elsewhere, allowing for quicker finalization. In the interior zones, there's been a focus on correcting and redoing work in some areas. For instance, the upper level's concrete, which had to be redone due to earlier issues, is now being repaired to perfection. Teams are also clearing out debris from the inner corridors, keeping the site functional and safe. One standout update, the super beams. Gigantic steel beams, designed to support the upper sections, have started arriving. Seeing these delivered and prepared for installation is a glimpse of the dramatic changes coming soon. Expect these to dominate the next phases of construction. Finally, in the exterior areas, the groundwork for parking and access ramps is ongoing. A new ramp in the parking area is being shaped, allowing for smoother traffic flow when the stadium reopens. On the east side, excavation work continues at a rapid pace, with teams pushing closer to their foundational goals. The Spotify Camp Nou is steadily transforming into a world-class facility. From repairing past mistakes to introducing new structural features, it's clear that progress is being made, though challenges like reworks highlight the complexity of this project. With every passing day, the vision of a revamped Camp Nou is coming to life, promising fans an unforgettable experience. Subscribe now for the latest updates, and don't miss what's coming next.